Welcome. When you're seeing this video, this message is meant for you for today. I'm going to draw 3 cards, discuss them, find a message for you for this day. 3 cards. Wheel of Fortune, 8 of Pentacles, and 6 of Cups. Success comes from isolation, working in isolation, being isolated, doing your own thing, doing what you love most in your life, doing your hobbies, doing what makes you passionate about life, doing your life's entertainment, doing your own things. This is where your caring nature comes from. Because the first card that was drawn to me is this care. Taking care, being careful, being caring to others, and enabling others to believe in themselves by watching you, seeing what you do, realizing that what you do actually to enjoy yourself. You, you don't do it because you are trying to fool someone else. You're not trying to impress other people. You're not trying to boost your ego. You are doing this because what you do successfully. What you do is successful because you do it for yourself. You do it because you love it, you do it because you can, and you do it because you want to. And from this, the Wheel of Fortune shows us that a person with the right mindset about their hobbies, the things that they are good at, the things that they want to create, being creative and expressing yourself. For those that has that type of mentality, the doors are open. There are no limitations, no hesitation, nothing standing in their way. Looking for the extended version of this video where I go in more detail on these 3 cards, the link will be down below in the comment section. Okay, let's see. What can you tell me about the Wheel of Fortune? Why is the Wheel of Fortune here? Wheel of Fortune. The Knight of Wands. Taking action pays off. Once you go into that phase of, I really want to create this masterpiece, but in order for this masterpiece to be born and to be presented, there must be action. There must be a physical element placed into it to make it a reality, for it to be realistic. The Knight of Wands teaches us that only way for a creation to happen is to be created, to be think of mindfully, and that mindfully must be placed into solid reality, becoming that what is important, that what your hard work, you feel maybe I need to hide it, it's just for me. But at the end of the day, it pays to show off. There is going to be this element of you wanting to show off, but you're not quite sure how this person will react. But they will react in the way that you want them to react. Because that is, you're so good at this specific, whatever it is that you do, you're so good at it that they feel, they will show their appreciation. Tell me more about the 8 of Pentacles. What can you tell me about the Eight of Pentacles? The Nine of Swords reverse. Opportunities coming towards you. There is no longer a need to worry. Yeah, that worry that you might have about how would the public react to this masterpiece, my creation, my project, my physical reeled into reality. How will they react to it? Don't worry about how they will react. This is something that you did for yourself, and it shows. It will show it off for itself. It will show the hard work, the hard labor, the effort, the mindfulness that has been placed into what you present. What you present will reach the right people. The right people will come towards you. But you need to project, you need to show that what is what you created. It doesn't, I see maybe you're a struggling artist that feels, oh, my art is, it's something worth to me, but I'm afraid that other people might not see it as worthy. That's why I would rather just hide it from public knowledge. But hiding it from public knowledge won't create that boost for you. There won't be, this could be financial boost. This could be talent scout. Someone will see your raw potential. They will see your raw talent, and they will give you an opportunity for your talent to be improved in whatever sense way it can be. They will appreciate it as much as you would. The right people will find your talent. Work a little bit in isolation, but don't be afraid to show your hard work off. It pays to show off in a sensible way. Tell me about the Six of Cups. Why is the Six of Cups here? Eight of Wands, reverse. I just keep on seeing this door opening, this seizing your opportunities, seizing your moment. This is your moment. Shine as bright as your moment is. You are brighter because you are the creator. You didn't cheat off someone else's homework. You didn't copy paste someone else's hard work. This is your hard work that is being presented on a stage of life, and the right people will see it. And those who don't appreciate it, they can walk away and they can say what they want. But you know by yourself and for yourself, this is what I did for myself to express myself. Thank you for watching my video. Really appreciate it. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this video for anybody that will find this type of topic interesting. Please turn on that notification bell so you know when I post again, and have a wonderful, blessed day.